Yo, it's your boy jojofromtokyo back in this dojo with another video. Bruh, when I tell you this preset that I just made is fire, my nigga. Look. So, listen to this and listen to the one with the preset. I'm gonna say no stylist with no preset. I'm gonna stay with a preset on. Listen. Bitch, I wake up, no stylist. Fresh as fuck, I put it on and then I do the shit. Alright, now with the preset. Bitch, I wake up, no stylist. Fresh as fuck, I put it on, no everybody do this shit. Are you kidding me? This preset is crazy. But listen to the cover though.
Crazy.
Bitch, I wake up, no stylist. Fresh as fuck, I put it on, no everybody do this shit. Got this fine hoe, no makeup, but she still a baddest shit. She in school, yeah, it's cool, but she still my baddest bitch. Diamonds fuck just like a pool, yeah, my necklace wear the shit. Rob Balenciagas too, bitch, I'm flyer than a bitch. Yeah, I stand my paper up way taller than a bitch. All these niggas like me far, and they hate cause they don't get it. Yeah, little bitch, I'm cool as fuck, and this paper that I'm getting. Like crossing girls, bitch, you getting shorts, I'm on that money mission. All that old shit all, but all hard, they telling me they miss. Yeah, I fuck on her, but I can't care for, I won't make her miss. I don't know that boy, and I can't tell you how he end up missing. I can't tell you shit. Bust down my neck, bust down my wrist, bust down my bitch, bust down my bitch. I'm fish as hell, bitch, I'm fly as shit. Yeah, this a Hellcat, I'm whipping this. Shawty like hell, yeah, she with the shits. Shawty like hell, yeah, she grab my stick. Shawty like hell, yeah, she grab my shit. Bitch, I wake up, no stylist. Fresh as fuck, I put it on, no everybody do this shit. Got this fine hoe, no makeup, but she still a baddest shit. She in school, yeah, it's cool, but she still my baddest bitch. Diamonds fuck just like a pool, yeah, my necklace wear the shit. Told that bitch to keep it and I might just let her kick. Got that bitch wet like a pool, I'm finna dive and never kick. My bitch rockin' that shit too, I buy her that, she buy me bitch. Told my folks I'm getting rich, it ain't no way I'm washing dish. All the pretty hoes coming to my shows, man, this shit get crazy. But yeah, the full song is gonna be on my Bandlab. If y'all don't follow my Bandlab already, make sure to follow my Bandlab so that, you know, y'all, everything that's on my YouTube channel, I drop it on my Bandlab. Well, most of it. I'm lying, I haven't been dropping on Bandlab a lot, but I'm finna start dropping like every week. So if y'all wanna hear new presets and stuff like that, make sure to follow my Bandlab. And I know y'all got Bandlab, cause why else would you watching the video? But yeah, though, I'm about to give y'all the preset right now. So, this is the digicomp. Noise gate. De-esser. EQ3M. D-delay. Graphics EQ. Studio reverb. And last but not least, this is one of the most important things. Make sure you do not forget this or it will not sound like Destroy Lonely. The Phase 72. This is what gives you that little wobbly effect that I was using for the Yeet ad-libs, but now I'm using it for the main for Destroy Lonely because his voice be going in and out like that, you know, up and down and shit. But that's pretty much the preset. Yeah, if there's any other presets that y'all need from any other YouTube videos and I hadn't showed it, just follow my Bandlab, message me, or follow my Instagram and message me. I got you. I'm very active. But yeah, though, if y'all want to hear this full song, make sure to type it in my Bandlab. Alright.